Action cameras in 2026 are more powerful, more compact, and more accessible than ever. Whether you're capturing travel memories, extreme sports, or everyday moments, the right camera can completely change the quality of your footage. But here's the problem: most people either overspend on features they don't need, or go too cheap and regret it later. That's exactly why this list matters. We're breaking down the best action cameras that actually deliver no hype, no wasted money. From budget-friendly starters to more advanced options, each pick solves a real problem. Let's start with a camera that proves you don't need a big budget to begin. AKASO Brave 7LE. If you think you need to spend a lot to start capturing adventures, you don't. The AKASO Brave 7LE proves that budget cameras can still deliver solid performance. And for beginners, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. It shoots in 4K, which means your footage still looks sharp and detailed, whether you're hiking, biking, or traveling. But what really makes it stand out at this price is the dual screen setup. You get a front screen for vlogging and a rear screen for framing shots, something usually found in more expensive cameras. It's also built for adventure. The waterproof design means you can take it into rain, snow, or even underwater without worrying. For casual users, that kind of durability removes stress. You can focus on capturing moments instead of protecting your gear. Another advantage is simplicity. The interface is beginner-friendly, and setup takes minutes. You don't need to be a professional to start recording great footage. Of course, it's not perfect. Low-light performance and stabilization aren't on the same level as premium cameras. But for the price, it delivers incredible value. If you're just getting into action cameras or want something affordable that still gets the job done, this is a smart starting point. It's simple, reliable, and surprisingly capable for everyday adventures. DJI Osmo Action 4. If you shoot a lot in challenging conditions, especially low light, this camera is where things start to feel premium. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is known for its excellent performance when lighting isn't perfect. Most action cameras struggle at night or indoors. Footage gets grainy, details disappear, and colors look off. But this camera handles those situations much better, giving you cleaner, more usable shots even in tough lighting. Then there's rock-steady stabilization. This is what makes your footage look smooth, even when you're moving fast. Running, biking, or handheld shooting, all of it looks controlled and cinematic. It's also waterproof up to 18 meters without needing a case. That's a huge convenience. No extra gear, no setup, just grab it and go. Whether you're swimming, surfing, or caught in heavy rain, it keeps working. The dual touchscreen design also helps with framing and navigation, especially for vloggers. You can see yourself clearly while recording, which makes content creation much easier. This camera is perfect for travelers and creators who want strong performance without overcomplicating things. It's reliable, versatile, and one of the best value options in 2026.